So you might be in a situation where for some reason you can't log out Snapchat. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, if you're in Snapchat and you're trying to log out, remember to log out, you have to follow these procedures. Log into Snapchat, go ahead and click on the top left corner right up here, and basically scroll into your settings portion, which is right up at the very top right. Go ahead and tap into here, and then scroll down until you find this log out button. Now logging out, it'll give you these two options. This log out button here, and then cancel. Make sure you're tapping onto the log out button, which is right there. When you log out, it's going to ask if you want to save your account or not. You might want to go ahead and click on that you don't want to save your account. So make sure that ends up happening. For some reason that's not working as you're kind of going through, you can try updating Snapchat as well. So click into your app store right here. Click onto your search bar, which is right over here, and you want to go ahead and type in Snapchat. So type in Snapchat just like this, go and click onto it here, click on Snapchat, and you want to click on the update button right here for Snapchat. So click on update, and all you're going to want to do here is just update Snapchat. For a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. So try doing that. If that's still not working, you can try restarting your phone or deleting Snapchat and going back into it. Those are kind of the main ways to go into it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.